all the technical part. The Unity Wealth is the company which is doing the multi-level marketing, and you can sell, you can use this platform to make good money for yourself. What we have for you, we have eight type of bonuses here. And if we talk about bonuses one by one, so you'll be able to understand it much easier. Like, if you bring in someone with $1,000 and you get 7%, which means you will get $70 straight away. Then we have another bonus, which is team bonus, and it is paid out on your weaker leg. Since it is a binary system, so it is paid out on the weaker leg. So you get every week you get 10% of the weaker leg. Then we have another wonderful bonus, which is called fast start bonus. And the beauty of this bonus is that once you introduce five people with the same value, let's say you invested $500 or $500 or $1,000. Let's say thousand. We talk about $1,000. Let's say you invested about $1,000, and you brought five people of same value. Five people, you can see here, you brought same value, means you invested 1,000 and you brought in all people with 1,000 into 5. So what will happen? You will earn 50% of your invested amount, which means that you invested $1,000, so you will earn $500 straight away. This will be your fast start bonus. But this is not all, because there are two more bonuses which we spoke about, and in total you will earn 105%, which means that you invested $1,000 and you got $1,050 back within no time, within 30 days. If you brought five people, you'll get back 1050. Then when you keep growing in the company, you'll be getting the ranks. And the rank reward starts from the platinum elite, where when you achieve only $4,000 on your weaker leg, and then you can earn $200 as a reward. And these rewards goes to, even from starting from 200, you can see it goes to $200,000. But one thing I would like to highlight here, that once you hit the star sapphire, it is very important to understand. Then once you hit star sapphire title, you become part of company's monthly profit pool, which is very attractive pool. It gives you a massive passive income. It's massive and passive. So it's actually the way to go, that you should focus on star sapphire and start earning a passive income. How it works: once you become star sapphire, you get one share of this pool, and company will be rather putting in the profit of some part of its profit in this pool, and it will be shared amongst the pool holders only. So this is again going to be a golden opportunity for all of you, so we need to focus on this, right? Okay. We have a Bangkok event going on, in which you can qualify for Bangkok by doing simply by doing $8,000. And it is the deadline was because 8,000 is a fast start qualification, but company has extended the fast start qualification till 12th of this month, 12th of June. So we still have 9-10 days. You can do $8,000 and qualify for Bangkok. And I would love to see all my friends from Africa in that event. Okay. Then soon after that, company will be announcing the Prague event, which is not to be missed, and the target for this will be given in the Bangkok event. Then we have travel and lifestyle rewards. This is also very attractive part. We should focus on this. And this is the best part, is there are no targets in these rewards. Company will be giving away these rewards just on the basis of value addition, that what a leader is doing, how much he's traveling, how much is putting in, how much his efforts is being putting in for the development of the company. So it's all about value addition. Then last not but not the least, this is very important, that once our blockchain will be ready, then you can introduce us the company uh, with these potential buyers or potential users of the blockchain. It can be the governments, it can be the corporates, and if any deal is closed, then you will be getting 10% of that deal, which is going to be a hefty amount, because all these deals are in millions of dollars. All our paid outs which we give away, all our payouts are in 70/30 rule, means 70% is given away in USDT, 30% is in form of robo miners. So guys, this is important because when you get robo miners, it means you're building your wealth for a longer period. This is the new look of our back office, which will be commencing soon, and it will give you the indicator of your income and everything. The company's policy is that you can earn up to 6 times of your own investment. So after that, you need to increase your own investment. So this is important to understand, and everyone should focus on these areas. This is the last slide from my side. Because when you invest in a company where the launch is like where the coin has not been launched on the platforms, on the exchanges, then we call them, those investors are called the NIMS early believers. So if you are a NIMS early believer, you will be getting a lot of benefits, like you'll be getting extra airdrops, you'll be enjoying the company's price guarantee, you'll be attending a lot of companies events as well. So, guys, this is a golden opportunity. You need to understand that the price is going to increase on 15th. Straight away, the coins, your number of coins you're getting, it will be simply half on first on 16th, from 16th of June. So you have only few days left. Just take the advantage of these days. Bring in more people. Try to convince them to buy quickly so that they can enjoy the real benefit of the price gain. That's all from my side.